Hey everybody, and welcome to I've been up since 2:41 to be exact. Oh, your girl's gonna rant and rave for a gosh darn mother trucking minute. Okay, so my husband's CPAP is irritating him in some way. All I know is for 2 nights in a row, he can't seem to figure out what it needs to do. I was telling my girlfriends about it. I said it was as if he thought for a second he had been cured. Jesus cured him from the snoring. And he took it off and proceeded to just hang it up and go back to sleep. And I'm like, I'm sorry, sir? You're still snoring. So anyways, long story long. Once I've been to sleep, even though it was only 3 hours, my body said, you good girl. Let's get up and go about our day. Let's just say you can hide your deepest, darkest secrets in the bags under my eyes. Anyways, we're back to do an IPSY unboxing. It literally just arrived. I think today's the 26th. I don't know. And all I know is I dilly-dallied to get my last IPSY unboxing up. So this time I'm not. I've also dilly-dallied on doing a PR unboxing, and my girl Jody and I were talking about, she's like, girl, people are in my comment section asking where you are, and I tell them you're everywhere except your beauty channel. She gave me the idea to do my PR unboxing, so I'm gonna film for you all my IPSY unboxing. This is for April, and then I will be filming a PR unboxing. This box was sent to me in PR, so a ginormous thank you to IPSY for thinking of your girl and sending the box over my way. I'm going to forewarn you all, if sentences do not make sense throughout this video, just know it's because I'm legitimately exhausted. IPSY was so kind to send this over in PR. Oh my gosh, we have foam. I like to personally do first impressions for you all. This is the IPSY Extra box. There are 3 in total that you can get. The IPSY bag, they've renamed them all. I'll have a list for you guys down below. But that's more of your mini sizes. This particular one is your full size items, and you get to customize the items too. This is such a beautiful makeup look and everything. It's very light and springy and just gorgeous. Now this is a sneak peek of some of the brands and items that you may get to choose for your April box. And oh my gosh, okay, so didn't know this. First Day Beauty looks like they've kind of done like a rebrand with their packaging. Kind of like that. It's very modern-esque. This is the Ultra Repair Intense Hydration Skin Protectant. This is actually my 20-year-old's absolute favorite skincare product. Okay, here's one that I've not seen in a hot minute. Earth Harbor Horizon Ceramide Repair Serum. Remember when this was like, I felt like all the rage? We were seeing it in so many subscription boxes. I mean, honestly, the boxes I unbox now, I haven't seen this in a hot minute. Honestly, did not know they were still around. I like this because I feel like it will pair nicely with the First Day Beauty. Alright, next in here, we did get the Pink Lips Makeup Brush Set 2. It's a 2-pack. Okay, you guys, if you've been with me for a while, you kind of know my thoughts and feelings when it comes to makeup brushes. Do I like them? Yes. Did I love them back in like 2015? When I started getting IPSY, I did. Why? Because I was truly building up my makeup brush collection, as was my almost 26-year-old. So for me now, this is not going to be something that I would have picked come April 1st when everything opens up. But if you're trying to build your makeup collection, guess what, girl? Those may work for you. All right, next in here is by Leaf Lace. Looks like a palette. Oh yay, it's a blush palette, because I'm not going to lie. Didn't we have a whole conversation last week about like the only eyeshadow palettes I use is literally the Unconditional palette? That's not a lie. That's not a fib. That's literally my go-to palette. Oh, I'm not going to lie. When I saw the back, I was like, yes, vibrant. They're very muted. I don't think they're bad. Okay. That one's not going to show up on my skin. That one might. I can mix them. It feels like a nice formula. Very pretty. Perfect spring shades for sure. Definitely get a nice little variety as far as the shades go. Very much nice and springy. Neutrally rosy. Love the mirror. Oh, girl. You looking so sleepy, child. Because you are. Nice size mirror. Nice little travel case. It is called the Sunset Blush Palette, in case I forgot to tell you all. And then the last thing in here, okay, what the flip? Got some thoughts. Okay, next we have the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Vinyl in Shimmering Mixed Berry. Love the shade. Okay, let's talk about this. Last month I did not get foam. I'm trying to think. Last month I did not get any type of like makeup-y products as far as that goes. So I guess because I got a palette this month, maybe that's why foam was put in here. Yeah, I love this color. This is literally like a go-to shade for me. Love that. That is going right into my little lippy drawer for sure. Yeah, that kind of threw me off because I was expecting like a Natasha Denona or something. Or how pretty would it be to have like a Charlotte Tilbury or a Penna. I was a little thrown off by seeing like the heavy duty foam in here. Was this my favorite box? No. You know I keep it real with you guys. No. Will I use the products? Also, no, I will be gifting them. If I wasn't going to gift them, I would truly definitely use the First Aid Beauty. I would look into the Earth Harbor, probably the Ceramide Repair Serum. I'm actually going to do... Have you guys seen the microneedling? I used to get microneedling done all the time. And I've been doing a lot of studying and research and all that stuff on aesthetics and all of that. Is that the right word? I don't know. I'm too tired to care if that was in the right word or not. But anyways, Dr. Pen, I'm getting the Dr. Pen. All of that to say that they are sending me that. And I'm very excited about that. So you don't have to go crazy deep with microneedling. You can do like a nano needling, which is kind of like a soft little derma roller. I will continue to educate myself on it. I actually have a friend who is an esthetician that I will be getting tips from her. But with that said, I don't know where I was going with that. I really, oh girl, maybe I should go drink some coffee. Shoot, the struggle is real. But yeah, anyways, with that said, this is just not my favorite box. I honestly liked my March IPSY box better. The blush, nice. Love the Tarte Maracuja. Like for sure, the First Aid Beauty. Everything else, ho-hum. So, let me know your thoughts down below. I know some of you guys said you're not into subscription unboxings anymore. And you watched my video anyways. Can I say thank you? Welcome to the chaos. Thank you for sticking through the chaos. That is all for this video. I kind of forgot to charge my battery. And I have a hecka large PR unboxing I want to do for you guys. So buckle up, because that's probably going to take me 7 to 10 business days to edit that. I will edit this one fairly quick. So let me know your thoughts down below on this one. Will you be picking up any of these items or choosing any of these items when Choice Picks opens up on April 1st? Let me know about that for sure. And then what are y'all's thoughts on when Choice opens up any of the shopping? Have you guys been liking it? I do see that they got some IPSY Ultimate Summer Collection, the YSLs. Looks like we're going to see some YSL in there, which I absolutely love. They're so good. Anyways, I'm just jabber-jawing. I'm going to hop off, and I will be filming looking like this, a PR unboxing. We're going to chit-chat. We're going to BS. We're going to shoot the you-know-what. Anyways, thank you guys for being here. If you want to catch me on a regular basis, ladies, I'm over on Hotmess Momma Vlogs. I'm constantly doing fashion try-on hauls over there, having a good fun time, chit-chatting with everybody. I'm on TikTok literally every day. You cannot miss me. Occasionally, I'm on Instagram about as much as I'm over here. I'm talking a lot. I'm hopping off. Until next time, friends. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.
I feel like breaking rules on the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us too.